my channel, and now you are watching a one-star resort. In this resort, one type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. To see more than 100 of reviews of this resort, you can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 6.9. Check-in time in this resort is 12 p.m. and checkout time of this resort is 12 p.m. If you have visited this resort, please share your experience in the comment box. For booking